What's up? So this is going to be a quick, fun-ish kind of video. I bought these 6-packs. It came with 3 of these and 3 of the like gimmick beauty blenders, and these are the silly sponges. If you have no idea what this is, I have 3 of them. So I'm gonna take this one, and we're gonna cut into it, or at least try to cut into it. It kind of has a little bit of a pull to it. It definitely bends and wiggles. I've tried like poking my nail, because I have very long nails. I've tried like poking my nails into it. It doesn't pop, which I was very surprised to see. It seems to manipulate like the movement. It's very hard to see on camera, but like you see those lines, it will kind of manipulate and stay there, and then like when it has time to smooth out, it will manipulate your fingerprint marks. It's really weird. I'm dying to cut into this and see what happens. I just have like my old makeup wipe from before, and I just have this knife. I can't take... Oh, I can, never mind. Okay, so I just have this old knife sitting here. I'm gonna... Let's try the rigid side. That's weird. I'm gonna try stabbing it. That is crazy. It looks like it, like you could see the stab marks. When you squeeze it, it's like nothing. And this is a pretty sharp knife. Okay, so I was able to break through it a little bit. It's just, it's sticky inside. It's like just sticky. Well, tacky, I should say. So it's not even like a liquid in there. Like, see that? Like, oh, yeah, I can't say. But when I touch my fingers, it's nothing. Like, do you see that pull? That's crazy. So it's just like a big jelly pad. And that was hard. That really was to pop. Like, so now I know with my other 2. Like, do you see that? But then whenever my fingers, it's nothing. So now I know that I can be as crazy as I really want with it. And not that I'm going to be crazy, but I don't have to be afraid if I'm being too rough or if my nails are digging into it, because it's not liquid in there. I guess, yeah, it's just silicone. There was like some people saying that there was a little bit of liquid in there, that it's not all silicone. And let me just verify that altogether, all 6 sponges were like $8. So, and it was free shipping. So I'm only ruining one. So I don't want to hear like, oh, you're wasting money. I'm really not. Like, okay, I just removed. Ooh. I you guys didn't see that. I jumped like a little girl. Like, there's a part here that's so thin that even just trying to pop my nail through it is like it's not going through. Like, look at that. As much as I pull, this top part is not breaking. Now it's broken because I just stuck a knife in it, but it wasn't breaking before. That is crazy. Like, I can't believe it. It's pretty thick. And it's all silicone, the whole thing. There's no liquid, nothing. It's all straight silicone. So that's crazy. Even something really cheap where it's like, what, $1.10, $1.20 per sponge. Even something that cheap can be that sturdy. I'm trying to just like cut it like food. I mean, I really don't need the sponge now because I know there's no liquid in it. That is crazy. Ooh. Almost cut my knuckles. Cut, you bastard. There you go. That's crazy. That is really crazy. I really thought there was some sort of like liquid film in there.